Hey everybody. All right, so I'm back aboard and was unable to get the inboard engine started. That remains a mystery, but I did get an outboard just in case, and it's kind of a calm day, so we're motor sailing, but we're doing at least 4.5, 5 knots. And heading north today, hopefully get close, if not all the way to Foxtown. That would be awesome. And then hoping to get up to Great Sail Key and then stage from there to cross the Gulf Stream, to get in the Gulf Stream, and then heading over to Brunswick, Georgia. So St. Simon's Inlet. Yeah, everything came together pretty well. After she'd been sitting for a year almost, for 11 months. So I guess I'm just relieved to be, of all things, I'm relieved to be out of Black Sound and to get out that channel after being there for so long just felt great. So yeah, I'll check in with you later. Okay, let's go to. Okay, it is the 15th of April, 2025, and last night stayed in Foxtown in the distance, and this morning went ashore, picked up more fuel, and learned that we get about 48 miles to a tank here. Got the outboard powered up. It's just been a champ so far, which is really awesome. And our destination, again upwind today, is the southern point of Great Sail Key. Then tomorrow we'll be able to get around to the western point of Great Sail, where we'll wait for our weather window on Thursday. And that weather window, yeah, today's the 15th, yeah, Thursday the 17th, and that weather window looks really good. It's just a reach almost the entire time, and with maximum winds of around 15 knots. So we'll see if that holds the evening before departure. It shuts off. Yeah. Don't want to like. Oh dang it, we caught a barracuda, so gotta try and figure out how we're gonna salvage this hook and save the fish. Channel locks. Morning of the 17th of April, and got the weather out downloaded, and about to weigh anchor. Got so we're going to be on a starboard tack the entire time basically. So I've got the bunk made, just had coffee and getting ready to yeah, get this passage going. Hey there. Hey. It is Friday, April 18th, And we are on our second day in the Gulf Stream and hope to be out of this in the next 8 to 10 hours. The waves are pretty high. I estimate them being around 7 feet. PBJs and fresh oranges. We'll check in with you later.
When he brings the forklift in here, yep, we're gonna hold this open so he can put the fork right in here. I can pop that off with 4 bolts. Oh, okay.
Well, I've got everything pulled out. Currently, Flying Spur is in Brunswick, Georgia. And there's a few things that we're gonna do. Remove this liner and put better storage options up under the V-berth. Cut some of this liner, but James says he has a way that where once it's cut, we can put it back so that, you know, once you cut this liner underneath, is just kind of unfinished. Removing some unused seacocks. There's, I think, 3. May has some ideas for the hanging locker here and creating maybe some better organization for that space. Integral water tanks, port and starboard, so pulling out the original plastic ones and getting rid of those and maybe even recovering a little space around them for the integral tanks. They're currently 30 and 30, so that would be a bonus to recover that space. And then getting some sort of bilge access. Presently, Cape Dory thought that a single small hatch like this would be sufficient. I don't know why, but that's not real bilge access. That's just an inspection port at best. We're going to do something about the sink. I'm going to find a single sink instead of a double. Get the foot pump working again and just pull out the electric. That's just wholly unnecessary. And I'm going to go full alcohol. So we're going to sell the Force 10 stove here, propane stove, sell the propane fiberglass propane bottle in there, and then put an Origo 3000 in, and then the DC panel here, it's 43 years old. It's as old as the boat, as well as the AC panel. That's all got to go. And then lastly, well, there's some mast stuff and whatnot, but lastly, a conversion to tiller, getting rid of that binnacle, and putting a tiller in for steering. So plenty of things to be done, but the list is finite and limited for what James is going to do, and yeah, and that's about it.